What's going on, YouTube? So, wanted to give you guys quickly how I warm up each day. I typically play chord progressions to warm up, a mixture of chord progressions. And one of my favorite chord progressions to play is the 736 to the 514 to the 3-6 and then 2-5-1. So all those mixed together, it makes a beautiful, beautiful sound, and I'll show you that right now. Okay, so first I play, start with the 1, then I play the 7, 3, I play the 6, then a 5, 1, 4, to the 3, 6, and then 2, 5, 1, or you can end on the 1 light. Okay, so that's what I do. If I have a series of chord progressions, if you look at I have two other videos. One's on the 736, and I give you every chord in the major scale for the 736 and all 12 scales. Sorry, all 12 keys, and then I give you the 2-5-1 chords in all 12 major keys. Okay, so I'm working on the 5-1-4, but essentially it's just a bunch of progressions put together. So all I'm doing is playing my starting on my 1, then I go to my 7, which I play a B minor 7 flat 5. So just take this chord, B, A, D, and F, and all I do is move my thumb to my A flat and play E in my left. Okay, so that gives me my 7, 3. This is my 3, and I go to 6 for my 6. I typically play a minor 9, and then I go to my 5. So I play my 5 is a G minor 7, and all I have to do is just move my F to my E and then play C, and that gives me my 1. So 5, 1, okay, C9 sus4, add 3. It's a cute, dope chord. Okay, and then I go to my 4, which I play F major 7. Then I play E minor 7, and all I do is just move these up to get to my A chord. Then I play my 6 right here. Then I play F major 7 in my right hand and D's in my left to get my D minor 9 for my 2. And then I play my 5 like this. All I have to do is just move these 2 fingers down a half step and play it on G. That's my 5, and then I play my 1. Typically in like that. I just play, all I'm doing is playing a G in my right and immediately going to my C chord, first inversion. So again, anyway, so that's it. That's typically how I warm up, and I'll go through each scale and do that. So I'll switch to the C sharp scale and then go all the way down. So if you guys need further tips, please comment below. Appreciate you guys for watching. See ya.